Want to know how to make Cursor AI add conditional highlights? So you might want some conditional highlights in your code, and which might be tiring to put manually. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. The first things first, to simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created some videos regarding Cursor AI, which is available in our channel, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done everything, here you should be seeing your Cursor AI code right here. So I have this C# code with me right here. Now since we are adding conditional highlights, just simply select the entire code. And I also select the entire code. Here you should be seeing quick edit right here. Just simply like that, since we are modifying the code, and then just simply type in this. Now once you have copy pasted this prompt, just simply select enter, and your code should change accordingly, just like this right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. Now again, just simply select keep in order to keep the code, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.